Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to convert the Excel file to dataset. Drag and drop Excel file to dataset action from activities. Drag and drop data table to CSV action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set file name property of Excel file to dataset action. Set has header row property of Excel file to dataset action. Set the data table property and write script in expression window of data table to CSV action. Click on Test Script Evaluation button. Set file name property of data table to CSV action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.